What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of metrolin-fx. It's been a while, so I just want to quickly break down this trade, my EURGBP trade. How I got this entry. I'm currently running on a buy position on EURGBP. Sorry, EURGBP. So first of all, what I did, I went to the daily time frame. Oh shit, network is really bad. So this is the daily time frame. I see we are currently on a downtrend on this market. Currently on a downtrend. As you can see, you have a series of higher high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You can see we got this liquidity grab, then we got another lower low, another lower high. So we are expecting a lower low, lower high, and another was lower low. That's what we are expecting. But then again, now come down to the lower time frame, which is 4 hours. No, you have to look at the higher time frame to know exactly what you are doing. So you can see on the lower time frame, which is 4 hours, you can see we still have series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, another what lower low. So we are expecting another lower high before we get another lower low. So you can see, so what I'm trading is just a correctional movement before we get a new lower low. So you can see this was where we first got the character, change of character. Then we now got another break of structure to the upside, which is this level. This was the change of character. We got break of structure to the upside. And then we got another break of structure to the upside. This on the 4 hours. You can see we got another this movement, this uptrend, and we had series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, and this higher high. This was a movement. Wait, let me circle it for you so you can understand clearly. I think the network is a bit bad. Okay, now let me circle it for you. You can see this uptrend movement right here. So just a partial uptrend on the you know that the overall trend of the market is a downtrend. So this is just a correctional movement to the upside. So what I'm trying to show you now, you can see it on the daily time frame. I think our network is bad. Okay. You can see it on the daily time frame. You see that movement on the daily time frame, that movement, that uptrend, this is it. So it was just a correction on the daily time frame. That uptrend on the 4 hours, it was just a correction on the daily time frame before the initial sell begin. So that's exactly what I'm trying to explain to you. A lot of new traders, they will just think, okay, these are not trend. Before you know, the market will knock them out. So that is it. Then what I'm trying to show you is how I got this particular entry here. Then now I now go back to, I already saw that we have a change of character right at this level. We have a change of character. We have a break of structure. We have another break of structure. So I already saw that, okay, this is just a correctional movement. So I now waited for the price to get back to this level, which gave us a new, which just gave us a new lower low. Or got another lower high and another lower low. So I know that, okay, you are going to be buying for here because this was the initial change of character for the correctional movement. So price will definitely come back to come and retest that area. which is another block. You can see this other block right here. Okay, now let me go to 30 minutes. Now you can see it very clearly. You see the other block right here. So I already know that, okay, this is where the change of character took place. So for that reason, this other block is going to give us a correctional movement, which is currently going on right now. So you can see this is correctional movement. So I was supposed to take my buy to this level, my take profit to this level, but no, I decided to target this place, which is just 1 to 3 risk to reward, because we are on a downtrend. Don't forget, we are on a downtrend. We are not in uptrend. So if I decide to target this level, this market might decided to give us a new lower low from anywhere, because we are trading against, I'm trading against the trend now. I'm not supposed to trade something like this, because I'm a professional. I know exactly what I'm doing. So that's why I'm trading this correctional movement. As a newbie, you don't trade a correctional movement. You trade with the trend. You understand? So this market can decide to give us a new lower low from here and continue its movement to the downside. So, but for me, I know that this market will definitely get to this point before giving us what, a new lower low. But then again, we are not the owner of the market. The market can decide to do whatever it wants. So that's why I decided to take my profit from this level. I hope you guys are understanding. So this is how I got this entry. How is how I got the entry. So you can see it on the 4 hours. You can see that we are currently selling. Correctional movement. This manual uptrend that took place has already gotten to this supply zone. You can see it was just a correctional movement. So that is all for now. So for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that each time I drop a new video, you will get a notification. Yeah. So that is it for the now. See you on the next video.